Where to Support Veterans is marketed as a mission-driven clothing brand that claims purchases help support veterans and their families. But the real question is, where does your money actually go? Now, to be fair, cause-based clothing brands are not automatically fake. Many legitimate brands really do donate a percentage of profits or support veteran-focused organizations. What it does well, the mission is emotionally appealing. Supporting veterans is a cause many people genuinely care about. The products appear purpose-driven. The brand focuses on identity, patriotism, and supporting a larger mission, where the concerns start appearing. The donation details matter. This is the biggest issue. Saying supports veterans is very different from clearly stating exactly how much money goes where. Every purchase helps can mean many things. That phrase does not necessarily mean a fixed donation amount or direct charitable contribution. Transparency matters. Well-established cause-driven brands often identify partner organizations' percentages or specific programs receiving support. So, where does your money actually go? Short answer, that's the part buyers should verify before purchasing. If a company clearly lists partner organizations, donation percentages, and impact reports, that creates more confidence. If the language stays broad and mostly says supports veterans without specifics, buyers should ask questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.